Excuse me, where's the nearest ATM? There's an ATM on the ground floor by the main entrance and another one on the third floor by the food court. At what time does the mall close today? The mall usually closes at 10 p.m. on weekdays and 11 p.m. on weekends. Is there a specific store that sells traditional saris? Yes, you'll find a few good traditional wear stores on the first and second floors, like Fab India or local boutiques. Where can I find the food court? The food court is on the top floor, the fourth floor of this mall. Do you know if this store has a restroom? Most individual stores don't, but there are public restrooms on every floor, usually near the elevators. Is there a customer service desk here? Yes, the customer service desk is on the ground floor, opposite the main information panel. On which floor is the cinema? The cinema is on the top floor, the fifth floor. Do you know if this brand has a men's section? Yes, their men's section is usually on the ground floor, to the right. Are there any sales or discounts happening today? Many stores are having end of season sales right now. Look for the sale signs. Where can I find a good coffee shop? There's a Starbucks on the ground floor and Cafe Coffee Day on the first floor. Can I try this on? Yes, the trial rooms are just over there. Do you have this in a smaller size? Let me check for you. What size are you looking for? How much is this? It's rupees 12.99. The price is on the tag. Do you offer gift wrapping? Yes, we do complimentary gift wrapping at the counter. Is there a children's play area in the mall? Yes, there's a dedicated play zone for kids on the third floor near the gaming arcade. Where can I find the entrance to the parking lot? The parking lot entrance is on the left side of the building from the main road. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we accept all major credit and debit cards. Can I return this item? Do you have the original receipt? Returns are usually accepted within 7 days with the bill. Is there a charging station for mobile phones? Yes, there are charging kiosks near the seating areas on various floors. What's the best way to get to the main road from here? Just exit from the ground floor and turn right. It leads directly to the main road. Are there any public transport options nearby? Yes, there's a bus stop right outside the mall and a metro station about a 10-minute walk away. Do you have any loyalty program? Yes, you can sign up at the counter to earn points on your purchases. Where can I find the electronic stores? Yes, you'll find most of the electronic stores like Chroma or Reliance Digital on the third floor. Is this mall wheelchair accessible? Yes, we have ramps and elevators throughout the mall for accessibility. Do you have a lost and found section? Yes, the lost and found section is at the customer desk on the ground floor. Are there any popular bookstores here? Yes, Starmark and Crossword are both on the second floor. Is this item on sale? Yes, it's currently 20% off. Can I pay in cash? Yes, cash payments are accepted. Do you have smaller bags for shopping? Yes, we can give you a smaller carry bag. How do I sign up for the mall's newsletter? You can sign up at the customer service desk or on the mall's website. Are there any new stores that opened recently? Yes, a new international fashion brand just opened on the first floor last week. Can I leave my bags at a cloakroom? Yes, there's a cloakroom service available on the ground floor near the main entrance. Where is the best place to get ice cream? There's a Baskin and Robbins in the food court and another ice cream parlor on the ground floor. Do you have a specific brand of cosmetics? Which brand are you looking for? We have a large beauty section on the ground floor with multiple brands. Are there any events happening in the mall today? Let me check the event board. There's a live music performance later this evening. Can I get a gift voucher for this mall? Yes, mall gift vouchers are available at the customer service desk. Where is the nearest medical aid counter? There is a medical aid counter near the security office on the ground floor. Do you have free Wi Fi? Yes, free Wi Fi is available throughout the mall. Look for mall guest Wi Fi. Can I reserve a parking spot in advance? No, parking is usually available on a first come first served basis. Is there a designated pickup point for ride sharing apps? Yes, there's a dedicated pickup and drop off zone for Uber and Ola near the exit gate. How do I navigate to another floor? You can use the escalators in the center of the mall or the elevators on either side. Do you have a wide range of traditional Indian wear? Yes, several stores specialize in ethnic wear, particularly on first and second floor. Can I get some recommendations for good restaurants here? Yes, the food court has variety, but for a sit-down meal, consider mainland China or O Calcutta on the top floor. Is there a security check when entering the mall? Yes, there are security checks at all entrances for safety. Do you have mobile accessories shops here? Yes, you'll find several mobile accessory stores on the ground and first floor. Can I exchange foreign currency here? There might be a money exchange counter near the main entrance, usually for major currencies. Are there any special discounts for students? Some stores offer student discounts. You'll need to check with individual stores and show your student ID. Where's the nearest staircase in case of emergency? There are emergency staircases located on both ends of the mall on every floor marked with exit signs. Thank you for your help. You're most welcome. Enjoy your shopping.